Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the Home Science Optional 2020, and in this lecture I am going to decode the Home Science syllabus. We know that now in the recent scenario, we must have seen that the anthropology optional along with Home Science optional, geography optional, and agricultural optionals are uh, very scoring nowadays, and more candidates are getting success in this ways. Among the best optionals in the Odisha Civil Service examination, uh, home science is taking or gaining its popularity day by day. Now it is the most one of the easiest and the most scoring optional preferred by the but candidates, and nowadays it becomes more and more popular because of the what available of teaching materials and teaching facilities. So today in this particular lesson or particular video we are going to discuss the syllabus. As we know that, friends, the optional, there are two optionals. We know that there are two papers in home science, paper 1 and paper 2, each of 300 marks. As we know that paper 1 300 marks, paper 2 300 marks, so total 600 marks. Okay, friends, paper 1 home science is your 300 marks, and paper 2 also 300 marks, and together they are of 600 marks. So let us discuss the paper 1. Paper 1 is mostly the concept based, the theoretical based, and the paper 2 is application based. Okay, now let us see the paper 1 syllabus. In paper 1, friends, there are two sections, section A, section B. Section A and section B, as we know that in section A we are going to learn about study of foods, number 2 study of nutrients, number 3 utilization of food, therapeutic nutrition, and food spoilage, malnutrition. The last one is malnutrition. So friends, as we have told, there are almost six parts, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and study of food, study of nutrients, utilization food, therapeutic nutrition, food spoilage and malnutrition. In section B, human development, basis of human development, number 1, number 2 development of children, zero to 5 years, development of children's 0 to 5 years, in relation to speech, social and emotional development in part 2 of this. Next is your exceptional children. Adolescent development. Family cycle, family life cycle. Last one is your family life cycle. So friends, in paper 1 section B, we are discussing the basis of human development of 0 to 5 years children, means motor development, intelligence development, and in development of children 0 to 5 years, again in relation to speech development, social development, emotional development, and exceptional children, adolescent development, and family life cycle. These are the part 2. Now let us see what are we going to prepare, how to prepare paper 1 and paper. Home science optional paper 2. These are also 2 sections, section A, section B. In section B, we are going to prepare number 1 is management of family resource. Management of family resource. Number 2, money management. Housing. Number 3, housing and interior decoration. Interior decoration. Textile and clothing. Number 4, textile and clothing. Next number, wardrobe planning. Section B, extension education. Extension education and development. Extension education and development. Program planning. Communication in extension. Communication in extension. Community development. Teaching and learning in extension. Okay friends, in this section A, we are going to study management of family resource, money management, housing and interior decoration, textile and clothing, wardrobe planning. In this section B, we are going to study about extension education and development, program planning, communication and extension, community development, teaching and learning in extension. Let us see, decode and analyze each part of the syllabus bit by bit. Number one, study of foods. Study of foods. In this study of foods, in this part, we are going to discuss about importance of food, composition of food, nutrient value of foods, so in this importance of food, composition of food and nutrient value of the food. Study of nutrients. In this section we are going to learn classification of nutrients, sources of nutrients, sources of nutrients, functions of requirements, functions of nutrients, requirement of nutrients, and deficiency of nutrients. So this is the 1 and 2 section A, 1 and 2 bit. First bit is study of food, second bit is your study of nutrients, classification, sources, functions, requirement and deficiency of nutrients we are going to prepare. Okay, next come to number 3, bit 3. Bit 3, we are going to prepare utilization of food, in this case we are going to prepare digestion, absorption and metabolism of proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, next part is your basal metabolic rate, very important part, that is called BMR. Next part, total